Welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2026 Prius is easily the best-looking version to date, taking the sleek aesthetic introduced in 2023 and evolving it with even sharper lines and more aerodynamic intent. Its low, wide stance gives it a coupe-like silhouette that's far more athletic than the bulbous shapes of the early models. With a drag coefficient of just 0.27, it slips through the air efficiently, improving not just performance but also fuel economy. The front end features slim LED headlights, a minimalist grille, and a muscular hood. Around back, a full-width LED light bar ties together a high-tech rear design that's futuristic but not overdone. In Supersonic Red, this thing genuinely turns heads, which is not something people used to say about a Prius. But the style isn't just skin deep. Toyota has built the 2026 Prius on the TNGA-C platform, a modular architecture that's lighter and stiffer than before. That means better handling, more cabin space, and a quieter, more composed ride. The weight savings also play into efficiency, letting Toyota squeeze out better range and more responsiveness. There's a real sense of balance here, a hybrid that doesn't feel compromised by its mission. Under the hood, the Prius gets a refined 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle inline, paired with 2 electric motors in the hybrid system. Together, they deliver a combined 194 horsepower in the front-wheel drive variant and 196 horsepower in the all-wheel drive model. That might not sound like much until you consider that the Prius now hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7.0 seconds, nearly 3 seconds quicker than the older models. That's a huge leap, and one that makes daily driving not just efficient, but actually enjoyable. The electric motor's instant torque gives it a snappy, responsive feel around town, and the improved throttle mapping ensures it doesn't feel sluggish when you need to pass or merge on the highway. Fuel efficiency remains a Prius hallmark. The 2026 model boasts up to 57 miles per gallon combined in the LE trim with front-wheel drive and around 54 miles per gallon in the all-wheel drive version. These are segment-leading numbers, giving it a real-world range of over 600 miles on a single tank. And unlike plug-in hybrids, there's no need to charge, just fill up and go. That makes it ideal for those who want hybrid savings without having to think about plugging in. Inside, Toyota has stepped up its game significantly. The 2026 Prius interior is modern, clean, and surprisingly premium, especially in the higher trims. The dash features a minimalist design with a centrally mounted 8 or 12.3-inch infotainment screen, depending on trim, running Toyota's latest software platform with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster is now positioned above the steering wheel in a Tesla-like layout, keeping key info in your line of sight. Materials have improved, too, with soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, and available synthetic leather upholstery that feels upscale and durable. Toyota has also packed in plenty of tech. Standard across all trims is Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and road sign recognition. The system works smoothly and confidently, making long-distance driving far less fatiguing. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking sensors, and even a 360-degree camera system. There's also a digital rear-view mirror on the limited trim, giving you a clear view even if the back seat is loaded with gear. Rear seat space has improved thanks to a slightly longer wheelbase and better packaging, making the Prius